Hi, lovelies. It's Sabi. I trust you are well. It's been a while. I'm back with a new recipe as usual. And this recipe is very simple. I'm sure you are going to like it. Well, we are doing mashed potatoes garnished with onion. This recipe calls for only 3 ingredients: potatoes, onions, and margarine, or if you have butter. My potatoes are already peeled and cut into small pieces and well cleaned. So I'm just transferring them into my sufuria. Then I'm gonna boil them. It's always good to cut your potatoes into small pieces to enable them cook faster. I will boil my potatoes with some garlic and salt. I don't like my mashed potatoes so flat. That is why I'm adding onions and the garlic. I will let it boil. Cover it and bring it to a boil. While my potato is boiling, I'm going to prepare my onions. Cut them into small pieces and caramelize them or saute. This one, if you want to know at what point I will use it, stay tuned. Just watch the video until the end and you will know. Kindly, guys, support my channel, subscribe to my channel, and like and press the notification bell. Caramelized my onions. Oil is not ready. I will fry my onions until it's golden brown. Then I will put it aside. Guys, this is a quick fix. If you are looking for something to fix so fast, maybe you are late from work, you just came from work and you want to fix a very delicious meal for your family, grab this one, try it out. It's a simple recipe. It just calls for 3 ingredients: potatoes, onions, and margarine. My onions are ready. It's well browned and crispy, so I will put it aside and check on my potatoes. My potatoes is well done. You can see it's already creamy. I like it that way. So I will drain this water and mash the potatoes using this masher. And I have a spatula there to scrape the ones at the corner. You can see my potatoes were well cooked. It's mashing easily. Scrape the ones at the corner and bring them at the center to mash them well. At this point, I will add my margarine While my potatoes is still hot, keep mashing it for the margarine to combine well with the potatoes. It's already becoming creamy, but still don't like the consistency. So I will add in the water from the potatoes, the one I boiled the potatoes with, to make it lighter, just like that, and fold it all together to mix well. At this point, you can even see it's smoothie, and I'm only using the spatula at this point. I will add in my caramelized onions and fold it in little by little. Sprinkle it to make sure it's evenly spread. By the way, guys, I like onions. I really like the smell of onions, even the taste. I don't like my mashed potatoes so flat. This one will enhance the taste. My mashed potatoes is well mashed and fluffy. This is how I like it. Look at it. Very smooth and fluffy and creamy. Creamy without milk. So I'm gonna serve mine. I'm gonna serve mine with matumbo. It goes so well with stews, by the way. You can serve it with the liver, nyama choma, or even kuku, and matumbo stew, or even wet fry. It slaps so well with those stews. Try them and let me know in the comment section. Bring back the feedback. Guys, it was nice hanging out with you. Thank you for watching the video up to this end. I will see you in my next video. Enjoy your Holy Week and have a lovely Easter. Bye. See ya.